here to get stem cell therapy. Last year I had heart infection and I'm still like kind of recovering, and I feel like my condition hasn't like fully recovered ever since. Then a lot of stress, a lot of like insomnia, and yeah, maybe it could help.
So we're beginning the blood extraction. You're gonna feel a little bit of a pinch. Does the area feel okay?
Yeah.
So we're finished with the blood draw. We're gonna start with this cleansing step first before we begin with the facial. We will be massaging it around the circumference of your face. After we've applied it all over the skin, we're going to help you with some LED light therapy to kickstart the process of the peel, but also help create more collagen in the skin for you as well. We're going to cover your eyes to protect them, and we're going to put this LED light device over your face. Is that okay on your eyes?
Yeah, it's fine.
Great, so this is going to be on you for about 10 minutes. And again, this is to kickstart the process of the peel. We're going to apply your finishing skincare, and we'll also apply some sunscreen on you before you leave. Did everything feel okay? So
Yeah, it was great. It's my first facial.
Oh, really?
First ever facial.
Wow.
It was great. I should do it more often.
Yeah, and I think you'll enjoy the after effects in your skin as well.
That was really good.
It went really well. Like, I didn't feel any like discomfort. I just felt very refreshed and relaxed, especially the facial. My first facial actually, it was very nice. Stem cell, it sounds so like a big thing, and yeah, it was very calming. I actually fell asleep for a bit, had a nice nap, and it was nice. I went to many doctors and no one could really help me, and they just said reduce my stress level. And I also have some friends who are suffering from long COVID. I think they could also really benefit from this. For anyone who's younger and doesn't have like any serious chronic illnesses, this would really help them. I think it's way more accessible here, because I haven't really heard of any, like in Germany, the opportunity to do it, because there's like very limited spaces.
This is plasma that was also extracted from your blood. So three main solutions that are extracted. The first one is the stem cell, which we already put back in the body. Next is the plasma, and then just the remaining parts that we just consider medical waste to get rid of that. But here's the plasma. If you open the package, it will be like little vials of this like yellowish clear liquid. And this is what you want to apply on your skin actually. So it's kind of like customized skincare for you from your own body. So you have to make sure not to share it with anyone else. It's only for you. And so it's something that needs to stay fresh. So if you can keep it in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. And then if you keep it in the fridge, you'll just need to use it up within a few days, maybe 4 to 5 days.
Alright. Thank you so much.
I think you should definitely try it if you can, and have some consulting, and better start early.